Morning, guys. It is December 12th, 2020, Saturday morning. Here I gotta go to a little daycare that I work for. I guess he's got one of the toilets, one of the original toilets. He says it's leaking from the shutoff valve, and it's leaking under the tank up top. Now these are little mini toilets, like, you know, kid toilets. So they're not. It's a lot smaller than a regular toilet. So I don't know as far as the parts go. I think that the parts should all be the same, but I'm not 100% sure. So might have to just replace the whole toilet. I don't know. Probably 30 years old. But I can't really go by what the maintenance guy said. I got to go there and look at it myself and see what's going on. He kind of gave me a heads up of what's going on over there. He wants me to go over there and fix it. So I don't really work over there when there's a bunch of people working there. I go there after hours or on a weekend when no one's around. So try to get you some shots. The old shitter cam, mama. The old shitter cam. So that's the story. It's a small kids type of toilet leaking from the supply and under the tank. So maybe just the tank bolts are loose. I don't know. We'll find out when we get there if it's fixable. If it's fixable, we fix it. If not, we replace it. Probably not gonna. I don't know if I could even get one of them toilets right away. Sometimes you gotta order them. Some people, they might have them in stock. I gotta call around. One thing at a time here. We try to keep it simple. We try to fix stuff if we can. If we can't fix it, well, then we go to plan B. The flapper definitely don't look good there. Could be leaking out this handle. You can hear it dripping. The flapper's not looking good. Wow, look at that thing's bent. Looks like somebody kinked it or something. Let's change that flapper for sure. See if we can change the flapper. Put the water off. We'll see if we can change that flapper. I hear it dripping. That's never a good thing. Sometimes this gets it's kind of flopping in the wind here, mama. Not too bad. Well, it don't look too bad there. This isn't shutting off. It says it's leaking. I don't know. I mean, maybe they're pissing on the floor. I don't see it leaking. That thing's definitely been bent. Let's see, this is... somebody hit this, stepped on it or something, who the hell knows. This isn't a... that's a small toilet. This is a standard size. Maybe it was just a little bit higher. That should be cut down a little bit more so it doesn't come out this handle. That sounds better. I don't hear it dripping anymore. Flush it and we'll be able to feel it right here if it drips. Unless this isn't the toilet he's talking about. I don't see anything dripping here. I don't see anything dripping he's talking about. We'll check the other toilets. He's a licker. He's a licker. Sometimes you can just clean the bottom and the flappers, they get slime on them or something and be an issue with them sealing. Don't look too bad. I think this one's fine. I don't see a problem with this one leaking. Maybe this isn't the toilet, maybe it's another one. I should have cleaned the flapper a little bit, now it's fine.